let's learn how to ask questions correctly. This part of the video is related to class times. Let's ask like a native speaker. Stop asking, class start what time? Let's learn how to ask questions correctly. When asking about schedules, use words like what time does followed by rest of your question or when is followed by rest of your question. These structures sound natural, clear and correct. Let's look at some examples. Class start what time? This is incorrect. What time does the class start? This is correct. When next lesson? This is incorrect. When is the next lesson? This is correct. Class finish when? This is incorrect. What time does the class finish? This is correct. Teacher come what time? This is incorrect. What time does the teacher come? This is correct. When test? This is incorrect. When is the test? This is correct. School open what time? This is incorrect. What time does the school open? This is correct. Break start when? This is incorrect. When does the break start? This is correct. Lunch time what? This is incorrect. What time is lunch time? This is correct. When class end today? This is incorrect. When does the class end today? This is correct. Let's look at the common mistake challenge. I'll say a wrong question, say or type the correct version before I reveal it. Class begin what time? When exam? Teacher leave what time? Now that you have mapped the answers in your mind, let's look at the correct answers. What time does class begin? When is the exam? What time does the teacher leave? Try it with your own school schedules. Here's a quick practice for you. Repeat after me. What time does class finish? When is the next class? Let's do a quick recap. Don't drop the helping verbs. Use what time does or when is followed by rest of your questions. These two patterns fix every class related question. Master them and you'll sound fluent instantly. Share this with a classmate. Like, share and subscribe. Happy learning. I'll see you in the next.